Welcome to Sports Extra Skills School. We're now going to show you how to shoot the football. Okay, so shooting looks like that. Okay, and the way we break that down, okay, is we come in from the side to give us power. Okay, so we're standing to the side, that gives us power. We point our toe in the direction that we want the ball to go, planting our foot right next to the ball. Okay, and as we come through, we're using the laces for power. So that gives us a power shot. And then what I would do is follow through straight. If I follow through straight, okay, that makes sure that the ball's going to travel direction. Now, one key bit with shooting, a lot of people, they want to see the ball go in the back of the net. So they look up to the back of the net. As soon as you do that, you lean back, and that's when you see shots go way over the bar or miss hits. So when you strike the ball, you want to keep focusing and looking at the ball, and that makes sure that your head stays down, and then the ball's going to fly at the right direction towards the goal. So shooting looks like this. Okay, and if you notice, I plant my foot next to the ball and I follow through all my weight forward. So that's shooting. Thanks for joining us on Sports Extra Skills School. It'd be great to like and subscribe to our channel.